Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Basavaraju. In today's video, we are going to learn what is multi-select tick list in Salesforce, when actually we use this, how to create this, what are the important limitations of this fields. All of these things we are discussing now. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we need to understand what is multi-select tick list in Salesforce. A multi-select tick list is a field type in Salesforce that allows user to select multiple values from the list. Means in normal tick list we can select only one type of record or one type of text, but in multi-select tick list we can select multiple values, more than one. So then how to create that? First we need one requirement. Currently I have one object like projects. So in project I have some fields. Okay, in this fields I need to create one more field like floor type or floor includes. So it is a multi list value field. So how to create that? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to edit objects, go to fields and relationship, click on new button. In data type, you need to select multi pick list. Pick list multi select. There is a description like allows user to select multiple values from the list you define. Then click on next. Click on next. So we need to enter the field label. So I will enter like flows include. So in here also we have two types. One is global pick list value set, means we can define the pick list values before, you can use whenever we want. Second one is local pick list, means we need to enter the values on here. It will only include this object. So I will give values like I enter multiple values, then click on next. Make it as visible, click on next, click on save. So our multi-pick list value field is created successfully. So we can search by using the label. So currently that field is created successfully. Then go to page layout, arrange this field in proper way. I go to this, I will put it, this is on this side, then click on quick save. Once you save, go to your project objects, just try to hard refresh once. So just try to create new. So in here you can see floor includes field are available. User can select multiple values. So I will give it as home and apartments. Project type is buildings. Budget is 50 crore. So in here I will select multiple values. For example, that it means this project includes 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 4 BHK, like that. So just try to click on save. So once the record is saved, it look like this. Our all the values separated by semicolon. This is how multi-pick list works. So then what are the limitations of this? So very important, you need to must be remember, that is you can't use this field as a formula. Reporting becomes more complex. Filtering requires includes operator. Not supported properly for some integration. Cannot be used as a controlling field in field dependency. So that is for today. Now you know what is multi-select tick list, how to create it, when actually we use, limitation and best practices. If you found this video is more helpful, please subscribe to our channel. So this is about multi-tick list values in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.